Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2016 Toyota Tacoma with some great exterior features that include 17-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you have gray cloth interior. This Tacoma also comes equipped with a power moonroof and all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you have your cruise at the bottom. This Tacoma comes with 80,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen you have your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection along with navigation and your backup camera. Right below that you have your heated seat buttons, followed by your dual zone climate controls. Down along the bottom here we have our blind spot monitor along with your outlets and your wireless phone charger at the bottom. This Tacoma also comes equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission. Taking a look at the rear seats, you've got 2 cup holders on the back of your center console, along with a storage pouch in the passenger seat back. These seat bottoms also flip up, giving you access to more storage space. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2016 Toyota Tacoma with some great interior features that include heated seats, dual zone climate controls, navigation, and a wireless phone charger. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.